Gang, what's poppin' with y'all, man? It's your boy Karnage starter. Let me get y'all an introduction in here, man. Cause I know how much y'all love them introductions, gang.
Now you bitch niggas better ante up or elevate. I need six-figure money, won't hella bucks and hella cake. Fuck boy, I been on dummy, shooting hella ops, make them a day. If not him, then kill his mama, make him feel his wrath in the hella way. Hydro shock bullets out, make you his chest, watch as they swim away. I don't stop shooting till you down in your last breath and then I skid away. This a hollow tip.
Gang, what's poppin', man? Y'all already know what it is. This your boy Karnage starter, man. And today I'm gonna be talking to y'all about how to make money and become a millionaire, man. Unlocking financial success, right? So, welcome back to the channel, man, where we're going to share valuable insight on personal finance and wealth creation. Today, we diving in into an exciting topic, right? I say exciting because I know everybody love to make money. Everybody love to make money, you know? And if you love to make money, then this is where you want to be, right? So, yes, we're diving into a topic, man, about many things that aspire to achieve making money and becoming a millionaire in this video, man. We'll explore practical strategies, mindset shifts that can help you unlock financial success. So let's get started, man. In segment one, right away, y'all know, is setting the right mindset, man. Before we dive into the strategies, man, it's crucial to adopt the right mindset. Making sure your mindset is automatically right on cue and on point. That's one of the biggest things you want to do when it's time to get to the money. Making money and becoming a millionaire requires strong belief in your potential, discipline, and long-term vision. There are three key mindset shifts to set the stage for success, gang. Embrace abundance. You feel me? Some of y'all don't do that enough. You gotta embrace that abundance. You know, you be scared of the abundance. Don't be scared of the abundance at all. And what I mean by that, believe that there are simple opportunities for wealth creation and that you had the ability to tap into them. This positive perspective will open doors to new possibilities. Number two, man, just value creation over money. I mean, simple. Value creation over money chasing. Focus on creating value for others rather than solely chasing money. When you provide solutions, address needs, and deliver exceptional value, financial rewards naturally follow. Look for ways to improve people's lives through your product, service, or ideas. So, with that being said, gang, you always giving somebody the upper hand, with the upper hand. Y'all think deal me? I hope you get it. What you doing? Okay, cool. Number three, persistence and resilience, man. Building wealth takes time and effort, right? It's important to embrace persistence and resilience. Be prepared for setbacks, man. Learn from failures and keep pushing forward. Remember, success often comes to those persistent and in the faces of challenges, gang. So segment two, building multiple streams of income. One key strategy for making money and increasing your chances of becoming a millionaire is by diversifying your income sources. Here are three ways to build multiple streams of income. Start a side hustle. Everybody do that. You feel me? Identify your skills, passion, and hobbies, and find ways to monetize them through a side business or freelancing. If you could, be anything from graphic design, consulting, tutoring, or even selling products online. A side hustle can provide an additional income stream and potential growth into something more substantial. So y'all better think about that. You feel me? Invest for passive income. Explore different investment options that generate passive income, such as stocks, real estate, or dividend-paying assets. Investing wisely can create a steady cash flow, allowing your money to work for you while you focus on other ventures. That's the smartest thing to do, gang. Leverage the power of the internet. Everybody better learn to leverage the power of the internet. Look, in today's digital age, the internet offers countless opportunities to make money. Consider starting an online business, creating content on platforms like YouTube or a blog, or monetizing your social media presence. The online world present, vast potential for income generation, gang. So now one of you boys or women, ladies and gentlemen, should not be making no dollar out there. You feel me? Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button because y'all know I'm going on. What up, son? I love you too. Hey, look. Number 3, man, financial discipline and wealth management, right? Earning money is just one part of the equation. Effectively managing and growing your wealth is equally important. Here are some key aspects of financial discipline and wealth management. Budgeting and expense tracking. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. I think it'll help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can save or invest more effectively. Make sure to prioritize saving and allocate a portion of your income gain towards investments, because some of y'all don't. I know that. You feel me? Debt management, man. Y'all be in debt like a motherfucker. You hear me? Manage your debt wisely. Focus on paying off interest debts first and consider strategies. You feel me? Like debt consolidation or refinancing the lower interest rates, gang. I'm talking about seriously. Avoid accumulating unnecessary debt and use credit responsibly. Continuously, like, that's serious. I had to take the glasses off on that game. You feel me? I'm just saying. At the end of the day, man, continuous learning and upskilling, man. Keep educating yourself, right? Always, man. Always about personal financing, investing, and entrepreneurship, man. Attend workshops if you got to. Read books if you got to. Follow experts in the field and stay updated, man. Some of y'all don't. Market trends is something you need to stay updated in, for sure. Continuously upscaling yourself will give you a competitive edge and help you make informed financial decisions. So, when it's all said and done, you'll be the one out there making it happen, gang. Hey, last but not least, making money and becoming a millionaire requires a combination of mindset, strategic thinking, disciplined action. That's 3 things. Remember, it's a journey that may take time, but with the right mindset and the commitment to learning and grow, you can unlock financial success. So go out there, embrace the opportunities, and start building your path to becoming a millionaire, gang. Hey, if you found this video helpful, man, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on personal finance, wealth creations. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Alligator, I am out. Gang, what's up, man? This your boy Karnage, man. Welcome back to the Street University. I'd like to thank all y'all who came out, gave me a little bit of your time by coming to my channel. Both channels watching the video. I really appreciate y'all, man. And those of y'all that did not hit the subscribe button as you step in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Those of y'all that did not hit that like button as you step in or step out, you feel me? Make sure you hit that like button on the way out. Make sure my views match my likes, gang, so y'all can keep me in the algorithm and keep me moving and grooving. You feel me? How y'all have been doing, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all already know I love y'all. Without y'all, it wouldn't be me. So, man, I'm out.